Hey you guys, so I just wanted to come on here for a second and talk about my spices. Now the reason why I'm doing that is because this video is going to be underneath every single video that I'm going to be doing moving forward, starting I think October 1 is when the first promo video goes out, to explain what my spices are, how can you use them, and the cost and all of that. So let's get into the tea. And alright guys, so first let's get into Spicy Girl. A lot of you guys already know Spicy Girl. A lot of you already have it in your homes. You already used it. You done ran out and then hunting me down for another one. First of all, I love this spice because I grounded, well, except for the salt. Y'all know I can't make no salt. I grinded a lot of spices that are in this bottle. There are 12 ingredients in this bottle, 12 all natural ingredients in this bottle, and I just love it. My favorite thing to use with this spice is is chicken. That's my favorite. I also like beef. However, this works clear cut across the board. If you're vegan, vegetarian, you want to use this on some eggs. My homegirl actually used this on some eggs and loved it. So you can use this on anything. However, this is a meat and poultry seasoning, but it works on anything, period. I would suggest cooking it. I don't suggest eating it raw. Ain't nothing wrong with it. Nothing's gonna happen to you, but I suggest cooking with it instead of like sprinkling it on some green salad or something. You don't want to do that because again, these are like peppers that are grinded down, and I don't think that would be very smart. The cost of this spice is $10. I do think $10 is very fair. However, I also feel like I shortchanged myself by charging $10 for it, but we're not gonna go there. That's neither here or there. I'm mentioning the price because I've had some complaints, but I just need people to understand, you're never gonna find this in any supermarket. It's just very unique and different, and I really like it. And again, I didn't throw some spices together. I literally built this from the scratch up, and I grinded these spices by myself. So yeah, I think the price is very fair, and my shipping is pretty fast. My customer service is pretty fast. You when you order your spice, you automatically get a
just a mess.
and then in like 48 hours you'll get your tracking number, and then your spice will be on the way to your house, and my cute pink little package. So yeah. So once Spicy Girl kicked off, I decided to come up with another spice. For right now, I think this is going to probably be it for a long time, because right now I'm currently working on sauces. So sauces will probably be the next thing out. But I came up with It's Lit lemon pepper. I love this little I want to tell you something. When you go to the store and you buy something, it always satisfies what you're looking for. Like it'll give you what you want, but it doesn't go above and beyond. Do you know what I'm saying? With It's Lit, you don't need nothing else. You don't need no salt. Oh, first of all, let me backtrack. This right here, this is also low in sodium. All right, so lemon pepper can be used on meat, poultry, vegetables, fish, chicken, seafood. You already know it's gonna be bomb on some seafood. I'm gonna actually do a seafood boil. Unfortunately, I don't know who's gonna eat it. If you're in Houston, hit me up, because I can't eat it once I make it. And but I know people need to see it. Not apparently y'all not understanding when I tell y'all I'm allergic, so it's hard for me to actually put out a lot of seafood dishes on my channel. But this spice right here, I love it because it gives me everything that I want. It has a little hint of heat. It has a strong herby flavor. It has a strong lemon flavor, and the sodium salt is perfect on here. You won't need anything else. When you make your chicken, you add in this garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, all of that stuff to make it, with this, you don't need nothing else. You take your chicken, your fish, your veggie, whatever, wash it, dry it, season it, fry it, bake it, air fry it, whatever you're doing with it, and you're ready to go. So this is what I love about this spice. You won't need anything else. A little goes a long way, and I'm obsessed. And she's called It's Lit Lemon Pepper by Misha's Corner. This is also $10. And yeah, I'm gonna do a giveaway. I'm sure y'all knew that was coming. But anyway, I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for your support, and I'll catch you guys on my next video. Bye guys.